Hi everyone, I am here to talk about incorporating large motor skills into your daily curriculum. This game, Preschool Number Recognition, Put Out the Fire, is a really amazing game that incorporates just a lot of fun into it, and children can go around squirting out fires with the correct numbers that they are given. And as you can see that this child has a squirt bottle, a fireman hat on, and is riding around on a little fire truck. So stations need to be interesting for children. They also should be challenging, and they should be self-explanatory. As you can see, the child, just by looking at this, can either we'll have some idea of what they need to do even without a teacher's explaining it. So it's really fun. This is another fun math activity that incorporates numbers and large body movements, and Twister is a game loved by most children. And children can really just learn more about their body and balancing. And this is a great indoor activity and an outdoor activity that children can do. This is a fun math game where you roll the action dice and then action piece, the block there, and then also the dice to how many times the children need to do the action. I wrote that an educator's job is to model, have a positive attitude, and to actively participate and encourage all children in the activities. Even if you can't physically get down on the ground with the children to do push-ups or can't do jumping jacks for some physical reason, try to do the best you can to be involved and show them that you care and that you also think exercise is important and that you do it yourselves, because modeling is the best way. Now I'm getting into the science piece. So incorporating science into large movement. The SHAPE guidelines say that preschoolers should engage in 60 minutes of structured physical activity each day. Also, unstructured physical activity is very important. So recess, all those times are very important to make sure you have time for. And children can just learn about animals while moving their body. You can have them fly like a butterfly. That's why I have a picture of a butterfly there. They can do the bear crawl walk and get down on their palms and walk around like a bear. Lots of things children love to do and pretend they're animals. My 8-year-old loves to pretend he's a dog. He sounds like a very convincing dog sometimes, and this is just perfect for preschool age, where they can play games and have fun pretending to be fun animals. The next slide is exploring your community and the wildlife. This is a great science activity, a community walk. You can teach about nature with the children and how plants provide oxygen. Kind of a little more of a social studies spin on it is teaching them to stop, to put their hands up, and stop to look both ways to cross the street. Very important. And you can do hand motions with it, like binoculars to look both ways. And you can also have them listen for traffic. And there's so many fun things that you can incorporate large body movements into exploring the community and also nature. Children can observe everything around them, talk about it, and touch it, feel it, and move their body. This is a really fun activity. Also, what kid does not like to make a kite and fly it? So just talking about aerodynamics and wind and air and having the kids go out and do it. So this is a really, you can obviously a lot of art, incorporating art. You can incorporate a lot of things in this activity, which makes it a lot of fun. My references is our wonderful meeting curriculum for young children book that we all have. And thank you for your time and for listening to my presentation.